thinking about Passover and the way I celebrate Passover now with my family or with my universal family, the people that I know and the people that I invite to my home. And if my children are in town, we celebrate Passover with them. If they're not, I'm sorry, but Passover is still an important thing to me, not so much to my children. And it was the same with my father. He did not want, he knew Hebrew, he knew how to pray because he was brought up by a rabbi and or a cantor. But he had that strictness about that he did not want Judaism to intrude on the home.